What is going on, and welcome back to another weekly recap and a weekly forecast of the next week on the charts. Once again, I will be talking on my previous week on my performance, what I did good, what I did bad, and in the end, obviously, give a forecast of the next week, how it's gonna look, what I will expect from the market on my favorite trading pairs, the Great British Pound versus the Yen, and also gold versus US dollar, obviously. So we can dive right into it actually. This last week I just traded 3 days. I started the week off actually pretty strong. I had 2 trades. Both of them I left 1 hour. I left at 1 hour. I left them too early, obviously. They were good trades. One of them had signs of a reversal, and the other one rallied in my favor. I'm gonna go into my strategy in detail in the future, in another different video. But I had exit signs. I could have stayed inside, so I will work on my exit signs when I should exit a trade. But according to my entry, to my exit, this trade both had good trades, even though I left 1 hour. Ended up, so I ended the day in $60 profit. And then on Tuesday, I blew all that once again. This was the first trade. Both days I traded the New York session instead of London session. And here I was up just $15, and then those were kind of forced trades, even though I had my strategy ready. But yeah, I fucked up on this one. Here, I extended my SL. I should have lost $30 maximum. I did not follow my SL. I extended it almost double, ended up losing like 4% almost. All of the profits from Monday I lost here in one trade. So yeah. And this trade then once again tried to make the money back. I ended up losing this one as well. I think it was, it clipped my SL and then went flying. And on Wednesday I didn't have a good day. Like, those trades I had, they were like, I think this one I left in break even. But yeah, I had a lot of drawdown on this one and the other one as well. Not just $5 on this one, but on the other one I had a lot of drawdown, and that should not happen, obviously. Let's see where I can get back here. There, yeah, I had a lot of drawdown here. 15 and 5, like $20. I missed out on a lot of profit here on $50. But I'm gonna work on, still next week I'm gonna work on maximizing my profits. Like here, I did it good here, over there. Too much drawdown in my eyes. But like I try to avoid these long empty green wicks where I like missed out on profits essentially. Where I had the profits floating, but I just realized a little bit. I'm gonna definitely work on that. And yeah, I think the overall result for the week is like minus $40, something like that. Ending up in me losing over 10% in total. Last week it was 122. Now I'm down 160, roundabout. But my winners are getting bigger. Here my losses are getting smaller. I just have to work on this, following my stop loss, and growing my winners. Essentially, that's what will be focusing on. Like, I will be focusing on the next week, taking profits as 1 to 2 RR. Sometimes I let my profits run, I don't take profits and they come down again. So I'm gonna take profits earlier, sometimes even at 1-1. if the situation allows it, or if the situation like doesn't allow it any other way, and if the situation, if price shows signs of a reversal or I should take profits at 1-1, I will take those profits happily, just to be green and just to make some profits. Obviously I'm here to learn, I'm not here to make money yet. I can't make big money on a $1,500 account, but so that's what I will be focusing on. Taking profits at 1 to 2 RR to grow my winners, to still reduce my losers, and that's it. That will be my focus next week. Going into the weekly forecast, I haven't done it yet, so this will be the first time I'm gonna do it. Here on gold, on the daily, let's check the weekly time frame. Yes, it's here, the weekly. I don't really know what to expect from the weekly, because obviously still the uptrend here, and price kind of respected this level. So I still think we're going up. We could even potentially reach, I don't know the news, the fundamentals, but from this week I don't have them in my head, but I think we could definitely see a test of the blue, of the 2020 level, 2030 even, maybe. That's from the weekly, and I think from the daily as well. Yes, it holds strong here. Looked like a reversal here, but I think we're still looking strong here. So I think we could definitely see, because of the rejection here, we tested this beautiful support here, up, long wick up, long wick down, but this is a major level. It has been a major level in the past as well. A lot of rejections here. That's it. So yeah, I think definitely we will go up here. Looking for buys on the 4 hour as well. Yes, higher high, higher low. Found support here at the last high, and now I think it's definitely time to push forward. Maybe even here in the next couple of days, 1990. Let's check the 1 hour time frame. Yes, this could be like could be an uptrend, but if I see here, it was like a counter trend and it's broken, and now we go to the upside again from my analysis. Can draw a trend in here? Yes. Daily as well. No. But I can draw a trend line here. No, just like this. No, man. But yeah, so I will be looking for buys definitely here. Beautiful dip down on the 15 minutes, and price found strength again. Here's a key level. I'm gonna see how price respects that. Maybe price breaks down, breaks above this, then comes down again, looking for buys, boom, up. So I will be looking out for these. Oh, nice key level here again. Maybe price comes down here once again. Let's see. So let's see what price does in Asian session now. It's 12:30. So Let's see what price does here in Asian session, and then we will trade a London session once again. That's it for gold. Let's dive in DJ. We on the weekly. Okay, the weekly shows a lot of rejection here. I think the weekly could still flip potentially. Could flip bullish here, 100%. Since we got this massive push up here from end of October. This massive push out of this consolidation zone. Directly into the rejection zone that we saw a lot of rejections in the past. And on the daily, yeah, I got rejected here on the daily. But now I think we could we broke this to the upside already, and then came down to retest this weird area here. And this kind of a support area, I reckon. Like a lot of consolidation here in the past for like 4 days, like almost a week. Or even a week, yes. Like 1 week was just consolidation here. And now we retested it, came down. I'm curious what price will do here. I think we could definitely bounce off here once again. Like this could have been the retest. And now we bounce off this. I mean, that's a solid downtrend here on the 4 hour. That is a solid downtrend. Curious to see if this trend breaks. I think it could definitely break after this retest here. Yes. So I will be looking. Yes, solid downtrend here as well. Maybe if price forms a higher low here, no, a lower high here. Like the two possible scenarios I see happening here. Firstly, we break this trend line to the upside, retest it, and then go straight up again. Second, we respect this trend line, form a lower high, maybe it's forming here already, and go down again. I will stick with the bulls just because price came straight down here again to like kind of retest this on the daily, in my opinion. So I will definitely stick with the buys here. But let's see how this plays out. Let's see. On the 15 minutes. Yes, I marked my key levels here. Could be dragging this right here. Boom. Let's see what price does in Asian session once again. Not a lot of movement up until now. I mean, it has just been like 2 hours or something. Let's see. Asian session ends here, so price could still be consolidating or make a major move. So let's see what price does and then take it from there. That's it for this week, for the breakdown of my last week and for the forecast. I did this on, yes, I didn't trade Monday, so now it's like 12:30 on Tuesday, actually, AM Tuesday. So that was like kind of a long weekend for me. I had a lot of other stuff to do. And now I'm gonna start trading on Tuesday, Wednesday, not gonna trade on Thursday, that's my rule, and on Friday again, so the free trading days this week. That's planned, so let's see how my schedule looks. But that's planned, and let's check back again next week. Alright, then stay winning.